Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystic Kalani. So, today we are going to do a yearly reading for Sagittarius for 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. In this reading, we will see the overall energy for the year 2026, the key challenges, obstacles, the guidance, and the probable outcome, covering your career, finances, love, relationships, health, and yeah. And also in the end, we will take a guiding message from the oracle deck, so please do stay till the end. All right, Sagittarius, so let's see what do the cards have for you for 2026. What's the overall energy we have for Sagittarius for 2026? Overall energy for Sagittarius for 2026. What's the overall energy we have for Sagittarius for 2026? Okay. All right, let's see what are the challenges we have for you, Sagittarius. What are the key obstacles or challenges you have in 2026? Key obstacles or challenges for Sagittarius in 2026. Page of Cups as the overall energy. Please tell me the obstacles, challenges for Sagittarius. The obstacles or challenges for Sagittarius. Okay. Please clarify Five of Wands. Please clarify Five of Wands. Please clarify Five of Wands. That's a challenge for Sagittarius. Okay, one more please. Five of Wands as a challenge for Sagittarius. Okay, let's see what's the guidance we have for you, Sagittarius. What is the guidance we have for Sagittarius 2026? Guidance to overcome the challenges. Okay. One more please. Ten of Cups. Please clarify Ten of Cups. Please clarify Ten of Cups with Ace of Cups. Okay. Let's see the probable outcome for you, Sagittarius. Probable outcome for Sagittarius for 2026. Okay. Please clarify the Hermit card. Please clarify the Hermit card. One more please. One more please. Okay. All right. So bottom of the deck we have Nine of Cups. Okay, so bottom of the deck energy, Sag, is basically the energies you are dealing with lately, or the thoughts or the kind of things coming in the back of your head or subconsciously you're thinking about. Okay, so basically the card is saying that you are looking for something emotionally fulfilling. Okay, there is something which maybe for some of you, you have achieved a certain thing in your career, in your in your work, in your professional life, and you are ready to showcase it. You are not afraid of sharing it with others or showing it to the world what you have achieved. It's a good thing. You are coming out with so much of confidence and happy energy. Okay, when it comes to your emotional health also, I see for some of you, you might have you might have met, or you're ready to meet, or you're thinking of meeting someone who will provide you that emotional emotional bond, emotional connection, maybe a soulmate kind of energy, a life partner, or maybe a person in your life you're manifesting with whom you will connect emotionally. Okay, that person or that connection might help you feel emotionally fulfilled, or make you feel emotionally fulfilled, is what you are somewhere thinking of, or you're having that kind of energy or thoughts in your mind. Okay, when it comes to your health, you are you need to, I see you might be also thinking of getting fit, and trying to start a balanced, more balanced diet, or start working out to get that physical fitness which you are planning. Okay, that is also for some of you I am getting. Okay, that's a good card basically. Now, the overall energy for you, Sag, for 2026, I see that you might, there are a couple of things I'm seeing here. Firstly, it's like you might miss someone from the past. It can be a childhood friend, it can be an old place, it can be a hometown of yours. If you have been away from your hometown, आप थोड़ा सा homesick आप feel कर सकते हो. You might miss an old person from in your life. मतलब अगर आपका कोई पहले ऐसा connection था, a past, you had some past connections, or you had a person in the past where with whom you connected emotionally, so there are chances that you might miss something or someone from the past. Okay, now it can also be for some of you that you would like to connect with your inner child. बचपन में आपको अगर एक particular, जैसे for example आपका कोई hobby था, right, you liked to play maybe any football or cricket or something, and now because of the commitments and routine and the busy schedule, you're not having that time to enjoy the things you used to do in your childhood, right? So you might try to connect with your inner child by doing things which you liked in your childhood. Okay, it can be simple like playing video games, or cricket, meeting your friends, visiting old places where you used to hang out with your friends, or a kind of reunion you might plan where you will feel emotionally connected. You will come back home. Okay, us tarah ki energy hai. Come back home, it can be in your you might basically miss something or connect with something which is related to your past. Okay, us tarah ki energy hai. When it comes to your health, I would say that you need to connect with your inner child so that you can heal whatever is there, which is you are not sharing with others, but it is emotionally heavy to deal with. You need to connect with your inner child. You need to focus on self love, self healing, so that you can heal that inner child wound and move ahead and come out in a more with a more loving and healed energy, or healed version of yourself. Okay, that is also I am getting. For your finances, you might you might visit your old days, and you might see that how things have changed, and how from where you have come where. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. कभी कभी होता है ना that we sit and we just look back कि how things were before and now how things have changed, in so many perspectives, right? May be finance, be it career, be it anything, right? So उस तरह की energy भी is there, I'm seeing. So somewhere आप थोड़ा सा पीछे जा रहे हो, you are going backwards when it comes to your thoughts. Okay, कि आप पुरानी चीज़ों पे connect करोगे कि पहले ऐसा था, now things have changed, पहले ऐसा था, now how much it has changed. Going back to history or to your past or to the places, पुरानी places में जाना. You might also plan to visit to a historical place also, I am getting here for you, Sag. Okay, so उस तरह की energy, there is something related to this. You might feel yourself doing or visiting quite often. It can be actual visit, it can be a thought, visiting by with your thoughts. Okay, उस तरह की energy भी है. Now coming to the challenges for you, Saj, I see that there will be times you might face that the people are trying to pull each other down. Okay, there can be some kind of ego clash, misunderstandings, arguments, but you have to keep in mind that agar a particular discussion is not really important to be entertained or dealt with, you try to keep yourself at peace. Okay, protect your peace basically. तो आपको हर डिसएग्रीमेंट में, हर आर्ग्यूमेंट में इन्वॉल्व होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. कीप दैट इन माइंड, बिकॉज उससे आपकी एनर्जी ड्रेन होगी, राइट? यू विल फील ड्रेन्ड. सो जस्ट कीप दैट इन माइंड. इट कैन बी इन योर वर्क प्लेस, ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स हो सकता है, एंड you might feel that this is getting very toxic or very difficult to deal with. Okay, so just try to protect your peace if it is not required. If it doesn't it's not related to you, or you just try to avoid getting into that politics thing. Okay, in your family also there can be some misunderstandings, arguments happen, so just try to not get into it for no reason. Try to resolve it with maturity, and by गेटिंग इनटू कम्युनिकेशन, यू नो, कभी कभी रिएक्ट करने से ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्ड करना ज़रूरी होता है, राइट? सो फोकस ऑन रिस्पॉन्डिंग इंस्टेड ऑफ रिएक्टिंग, ओके? सो दैट विल बी द थिंग. ऑल्सो आई सी दैट अगर आप अगर आप इन सब चीज़ों में पढ़ोगे, व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर करियर, अगर आप इन ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स और इन सब फालतू के आर्ग्यूमेंट्स में, डिसएग्रीमेंट्स में पढ़ोगे, सो देयर आर चांसेस दैट यू माइट मिस अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी कमिंग टू यू फॉर योर ग्रोथ, ओके? So just try to keep yourself away from all these things, okay? When it comes to your finances also, I see if you are planning to make an investment but people are demotivating you, and सबसे पहली बात तो there are two things. If people are demotivating you, don't listen to them. आप अपने तरफ से अपने एंड पे पूरा प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टिगेट करो, ऑब्जर्व करो, एनालाइज करो, उसके बाद आप कोई डिसीजन लो. Another thing is, don't what am I saying? Another thing is, you don't have to share your important things with others, okay? Just keep it to yourself, okay? You never know, agar aap if you are planning to for example, if you are buying a new property and आप अपने घर पे जाके सबको बोल दिया that I am buying a new property, people may come out with different excuses, right? कि अभी करने की क्या जरूरत है, रुक जाओ, why you have to spend so much, we already have this, we have already have that, so some or the other thing will happen which will interrupt your next move, okay? So try to share things only with the people who matter most to you, okay? Don't share it with everyone. And also I see that you need to be very careful when it comes to your investing. As I said, proper analyze करके, observe करके आप कोई decision लीजिए when it comes to investing money. When it comes to your finances, as I said, आपको अपनी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें अपने तक रखना है, बहुत खास लोगों के साथ शेयर के करना है, सबके साथ में नहीं करना है. इट विल somewhere stop your next move by creating unnecessary arguments also, okay? Now when it comes to your health, as I said, अगर आप sorry, अगर आप अपने आप को इन सब unnecessary arguments से दूर रखोगे तो it will be good. Otherwise you will go through unnecessary anxiety and stress, which is ultimately not good for your health, right? Sorry. Yeah, so you need to keep yourself away from the unnecessary arguments and stress to take care of your health. All right, now the guidance here for you, Saj, is you have the support of your family, okay? You have the support of your loved ones to when it comes to your emotional healing, right? So if there is something which is bothering you, you need to share with with your loved ones, with the people whom you trust, okay? And focus on self love, self healing, so that you can heal your inner child, right? As I was saying, for some of you, you need to connect with your inner child and heal that inner child wound, so that you can come out with that more healing and more loving energy, right? And you will be also getting so much creative ideas and thoughts. As I said, for some of you, आप ना thoughts के through पीछे अपना visit कर सकते हो past में. Also there will be so many creative thoughts coming to you, okay? So you need to use those ideas, those creativity. You need to use your creativity for your own growth. मे बी आपके वर्क प्लेस में आपके पास कोई सडन से कुछ आइडिया आ जाए कि व्हाट आई एम वर्किंग ऑन, आई कैन डू इट इन दिस वे, इन अ मच बेटर वे, राइट? सो यू नीड टू टेक एक्शन ऑन इट, okay? Try to write down whatever is coming to you, the ideas coming to you, and try to work on it. You will definitely get positive results from that. But you have to also keep in mind that whatever you are working on, you have to be very clear with your communication. Clear in your communication means आपको clearly express करना है, but you have to be very mindful of the words you are using or the way you are communicating it, all right? So that is also something you need to take care. You will definitely be able to communicate properly, but कभी-कभी clear communication और harsh communication में बहुत ज़्यादा difference नहीं होता है, right? So keep that in mind, the kind of word you are using to communicate or express your thoughts or what you are going through. So if you keep that in mind, things will be fine, right? Otherwise it will become a challenge for you to deal with, right? And that might ultimately become an obstacle जहाँ पे फिर unnecessary arguments and drama start हो जाएगा. So you need to avoid that, right? For you, the outcome here I see is sorry, for you the outcome here I see is, as I said, आप हो सकता है अगर आप किसी ऐसे पर्सन को अपने लाइफ में मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहते हो जिसके साथ you will connect emotionally, which was the Nine of Cups energy. So there are very good chances that you might meet someone and with whom you might, enter into a committed relationship. There can be a celebration happening. You might move in with the person. You might, enter a new phase in a relationship. Is also I am getting. You will definitely get the growth, but you have to set yourself free. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि I don't know, I am confident, मतलब आप लो कॉन्फिडेंट फील कर सकते हो. इट्स लाइक आई डोंट नो आई विल बी एबल टू डू दिस प्रॉपरली और नॉट. I don't know I will have, I will be able to handle this leadership role which I have got. So वो self doubts आएंगे. So you have to overcome that. You have to come out of that victim mindset. Okay, you need to set yourself free and fight your fears and come out of that victim mindset so that you can ultimately get the success and the reward what you deserve. Also try to focus on listening to your inner voice. As I said, आपको unnecessary conflicts में नहीं पड़ना है, unnecessary drama में नहीं पड़ना है. rather बाहर की दुनिया का शोर आपको छोड़ के आपको अपनी आवाज सुनिए, अपने अंदर की आवाज सुनिए. सो यू नीड टू कनेक्ट विद योर सेल्फ. ओके, जो भी इमोशंस हैं विच आर वेरी हैवी फॉर यू टू डील विद, यू नीड टू रिलीज ऑल दोज हैवी इमोशंस. It can be anything. Okay, anything which is bothering you, you need to release it. Either you can communicate it by meeting people, expressing it, or if you feel like you don't want to share it with anyone specifically, you can just write it down. Whatever is heavy and heavy to deal with, just write it down and burn it off. Okay, it will help you to make you feel better. Okay, that is also the thing I'm getting here for you. Try to meditate, try to spend some time with yourself. जिससे आपको जो भी द क्रिएटिव थॉट्स यू आर गेटिंग, द क्रिएटिविटी यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, उसमें आपको ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी मिलेगी. बिकॉज व्हेन यू स्पेंड टाइम विद योर सेल्फ, यू कनेक्ट विद योर सेल्फ, एंड व्हेन यू कनेक्ट विद योर सेल्फ, you will understand the things in a much better way. Okay, so try to focus on that also, Saj, for the during 2026. Okay, for your finances, I see there is growth coming in. Sorry, in your workplace you will have the support, but you have to, as I said, you have to be very clear in your communication. You will get the growth. आप जिस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हो, there are very good chances of coming out with flying colors. Okay, उसमें आपको सक्सेस मिलने के बहुत अच्छे चांसेस है, बट आपको अपने फियर्स को ओवर पावर नहीं होने देना है. आपको अपने विक्टिम माइंडसेट से बाहर आना है. एवरीथिंग इज इन योर हैंड and you can set yourself free and take the charge of whatever you're working on. All right, you need to use your experience, you need to use your knowledge, you need to use your creativity so that you can ultimately complete the things you are working on and handle the things in a much better way. As I said, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस की वजह से आपको हेडेक होने के चांसेस है. सो इफ़ यू विल कीप योर सेल्फ अवे फ्रॉम ओवर थिंकिंग, एंग्जाइटी, अननेसेसरी ड्रामा, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, पॉलिटिक्स, सो यू कैन मैनेज दैट थिंग, राइट. सो उससे एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन. ऑन योर हेल्थ, आई एम नॉट रियली सीइंग एनीथिंग मच हियर. एवरीथिंग लुक्स फाइन, एवरीथिंग लुक्स गुड. जस्ट ट्राई टू रिलीज वॉट एवर इज योर इमोशनली आप एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे हो. जस्ट ट्राई टू रिलीज दैट एंड वर्क ऑन इट. ईदर talk to someone or write it down and release by burning it off. Okay, so that is the message I'm here for you. I'm having for you, Saj. Now we'll see what is the guidance we have. Okay, trader, energy exchange to create abundance. As I said, now here trader and energy exchange means trading is not only about, it's not only talking about money, it's about give love to get love. It's a universal law, right? What you get is what you receive, right? Sorry, what you give is what you get, right? So if you heal yourself, if you come out with a more loving energy, a healed version of yourself, you will attract that kind of connections in your life, that kind of situations you will attract in your life. If you're irritated, if you're frustrated, you will attract that kind of energy and situation in your life, right? So us tarah ka, that is how the universe work, right? That is how the frequency work, right? So you need to you need to be in that abundant energy, having that gratefulness for what you have achieved, having the gratitude for everything you are blessed with, and counting on your blessings instead of counting on what is gone. And you need to change your perspective. All right, so that is how you need to change the frequency of yourself so that you can attract the situation and the people and the connections in your life accordingly. All right, so you need to be in this trader energy. Exchange your energy. If you will give love, you will get love in return, right? If you give respect, people will respect you, right? So us tarah ki energy hai. So try to focus on that. Just keep yourself away from unnecessary conflicts, drama, heal yourself, heal your inner child, heal the wounds which you are not expressing to others and silently dealing with. Just heal all that and come out of the victim mindset. Once you are out of the victim mindset, once you start connecting with yourself, you will start seeing changes in the situation. All right, so that's the energy I have for you, Saj. If you have liked it, please do like this video. Please don't forget to claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.